you're going to get a triple shark attack. How do they move? How do they attack their prey? And what do they eat? Let's get to it. The shark fin is the part of the shark's body that's used for swimming. It's attached to the shark's vertebral column, otherwise known as its backbone, and it's made up of cartilage, not bone. The shape of the fin allows the water to flow smoothly over it, which reduces drag and allows the shark to swim more efficiently. Now, depending on the species of shark, these fins can vary in size and shape, but generally speaking, the larger the fin, the faster the shark can swim, and the smaller the fin, the more maneuverable the shark can be. All of the shark's fins have a specific function. The dorsal fins provide stability and prevent the shark from rolling over. The pectoral fins are used for swimming and steering. The pelvic fins help with balance and stability, and the anal fin, well, it helps with excretion. Now, sharks don't have any bones in their fins, but they do have a skeleton made of cartilage. In fact, sharks are the only living animals that have skeletons made entirely of cartilage. This makes them more flexible than other fish, which have skeletons made of bone, but it also makes them more vulnerable to injury. So, to protect their delicate cartilage, sharks have evolved tough, scaly skin that acts as a kind of armor. These scales are made of the same stuff as our fingernails, and they overlap each other like shingles on a roof, making it even tougher. And then there are the teeth. Sharks have rows and rows of sharp, serrated teeth that are perfect for slicing through flesh. They're constantly losing and replacing these teeth throughout their lives, and they can have as many as 300 teeth in a lifetime. So if you ever find yourself in the ocean, just remember, it's their predatory nature and adaptations that make them such efficient hunters. And it's those same traits that can be so dangerous to humans. But there is one thing that sharks hate even more than humans, and that's pollution. It's true. Sharks are actually dying because of the pollution in our oceans. Their numbers have declined by more than 90% in some areas due to habitat destruction, overfishing, and climate change. The good news is that we can help protect them by reducing our own pollution and supporting organizations that are working to clean up the ocean. Now, let's get back to those sharks. What do they eat? Well, it depends on the shark. Some sharks are carnivores, meaning they eat only meat. They'll eat anything from small fish to sea turtles to, yes, even humans. Other sharks are herbivores, meaning they eat only plants. They'll graze on seaweed and algae. And some sharks are omnivores, meaning they eat both meat and plants. No matter what they eat, sharks are essential to the health of our oceans. They're at the top of the food chain, which means they help keep other populations in check. So next time you're at the beach, take a moment to